Welcome back to Shopsicle Garage. Today we're going to assemble our transmission jack. If you saw the last video, you saw it got delivered kind of unexpectedly. We were expecting a few more days, but it showed up early, so that's great. We ordered the Vevor, however you say that. I don't know how you say that, but that's what it is. We ordered that on Amazon, so let's see if we can put it together. All right, we got 4 casters, 4 spots for casters. So that's good. The casters look like this. You got a regular washer, lock, washer, nut. Those, of course, go on the top. I already got this one set on there to get started, just to make sure I had the right tools and knew what was what. So let me get that tightened up really quick. Hopefully really quick. Probably not. Okay, that's good enough. And I'm not going to show you all the casters because it's the same thing 4 times. No one wants to see the same thing 4 times. If you do, sorry. All right, we got all the casters on. The next thing we're going to do is attach this to our main unit here. And I was just getting ready to test fit it and almost put it on upside down. So make sure you pay attention to which direction you put it. It'd be good to have the wheels on the bottom. The casters. Oops, how am I going to... I guess I should probably put this stuff on there too, huh? How else would we hold it if we didn't put this on?
It looks like a fire hydrant.
It does kind of look like a fire hydrant. So we will get these on. This is a 24 millimeter, I believe, is what we'll need for this. I think the first one was a 19, if I didn't say. I don't think I did. These bolts came in the same bag as the casters. See if we can get that. Oh, we missed. See if we can get that. There it goes. Catching a couple threads there. And don't fall while I grab the next one.
It also looks like a ketchup bottle.
Ketchup bottle, yeah, it might look like a ketchup bottle. We're out of bench space, so we are using the ladder as a bench. This one's a little scuffed up on the bottom, but that's okay. It's going to get scuffed up while we use it. Where did we put?
That's a big spring.
Oh, the impact. Yep. Let me grab a battery for the impact, and we'll just zip them right on there, hopefully. Oop, that's the wrong way. Where is the, okay, 24 millimeter socket? All right, we'll call that good. I'll flip it over to the other side and we'll get right back with you. All right, we got all the feet on. We found us a new place to set this so we can set up right. And now we got the foot pedal. I don't know where the thing is, if you can see it. Foot pedal goes on here. We're going to take the snap ring out to get the pin to slide through there. So, oh, that's noisy. Let's get our snap ring pliers. I've been down here where I can't see anything. That. Pull that out and don't lose it. So we'll set it. Oh, we'll set it right there where we can't see it. So snap ring comes out now. Then, all right.
Second one down. Now we have 2 rings. It looks like the rings are on the bowl.
Yeah, that's fun.
Looks like the breakfast sausages.
The breakfast sausage?
Yeah.
I don't know how you think that looks like a sausage, but okay.
It looks like a silver breakfast sausage.
So now let's push this
through there.
Down. Okay, here we go. Lined up that side. There we go. Just have to fight with it a little bit.
Now you're going to put this...
That's fine. Yeah, we'll put the snap ring back on. There's a little groove that it sits in. All right, here's our little ring handle digimaflopper thing.
Mine came... steering wheel?
Yep.
The top and the bottom both look like ketchup bottle with legs, spider legs.
All right, we got our top plate here that goes on. There's a couple of bolts there that will tighten up to hold it in place. See, there's a little groove there. So we'll set that
Ooh,
right on there.
squish.
And that's a 14 millimeter. Don't feel like that went down far enough, so yikes. There we go.
Wow.
That feels better.
Scared.
So,
Scared me.
hey, this thing will pump up with the foot pump. So let me get it up to where I don't have to bend over. That is kind of slippery pedal. And if you're working around transmission fluid and all that kind of stuff, foot might slip off of there.
That is very tall. It's literally taller than me.
It was, I believe, 67, 68 inches, something like that. Okay, I don't know where she's at with the camera. So I don't know what you can see. We do have the tilt adjustment here for forward and backwards. If you can see the plate itself moving. Yeah, that comes down that way or this way to raise it up so you can adjust your angle. And on the side over here, oh, there's a ladder. On the side over here, okay, and it does come with these little, careful. It comes with these braces with safety chains that bolt in on the top. Let's see how much higher it goes real quick. That is really a slick pedal.
We can use a tape measure to see how much tall.
Well, the instructions say 67, I think, but that's it. That's the total height. If you put it over here, yeah, I guess we could put it under the transmission, but it's definitely gonna. From here, I can tell you, it goes right about to the bottom of the transmission of the car where we got it now, which is perfect. So to release it, this lever here, pull it up, turn it this way. There it goes. Okay. One more quick thing is that it goes down pretty low. So that'd be nice. So we don't have to lift the transmission 30 feet in the air.
Our shopsicles refroze and the freezer is working again somehow. So now we get to eat our shopsicles instead of drink them.
Why did your eyebrows look so weird when you did that? Thanks for watching.